Hello genius guys, in this video I will show you the visual question answering project. It's also does the analysis of image, and here we have the many features. So let's get started to this project. So before proceed, I would like to tell you that this project is developed in Python Django, and I also use here Ajax for front end and SQLite as a database. So this is our interface of our application. Okay, so now first of all, in order to enter in our application, we have to create here account. So let me create account quickly. So first of all, here we have to enter the email address. We are going to use email address as what, as a username. Okay, after that enter first name and last name, and give here a password. After that you have to confirm the password, and just you have to click on the create account. Our account is created successfully, and very straightforward. You have to use your email id as a username, and your password you have to enter, and after that you have to click on the sign in button. After that you will go on our first page. Okay, so kindly enter the email id, and just that's it. We are on our home page, and we have here three options. But before that I would like to show you the first option, that is of like directly uploading image, and after that analyzing that image and generating text and audio from that image. So let's see. Just you have to upload here image. So first of all I would like to choose here image. So take any image that you wanna analyze. Like I'm going to take here the image of people's, they are talking with each other, right? So just I'm clicking on this image photo, just uploaded image successfully. Now click on analyze. After that it will and start analyzing your image. So just wait for a minute, and boom, you can see your result here, the text and audio of that text. Now I will show you the another feature of this application, and that is regarding to visual question answering. Okay, so this is first one we have to click on, and now you can see such interface. Let's select the image over here. Like I will select the image of elephants, and now you can ask here any question regarding to the image to our Rocky VQA assistant. Okay, and it will give you answer regarding to that image. Okay, and this procedure is called as visual question answering. And you can see what is in image. Herd of elephants means a group of elephants is there. Okay, so you can ask many question regarding to application. Okay, so what are they doing? So let's see what will it answer. Walking. Okay, so in this way this AI works. And let me now ask another question. How many elephants are there? Like four. Absolutely correct. Let me select the another image. Like how many kids are there? Kids are there. Okay, now let's see what he will answer. Like two, right? Absolutely. What they are doing? uh, what they are doing? Playing chess. Absolutely correct, Rocky. Now let's see the another one feature of our application, that is live detection. Means whatever you hand in your hands, that will be tracked by our AI application, and it will show text on screen what you have in your hand. So let's explore the new feature. This feature will take a few minutes to start because it uses the GPU of your hardware computer. Like now you can see it showing the cellular phone also. Okay, now you can see it's showing the, like I'm showing the pills. Like pills is also detected by the AI. Like I will now check the parachute. like it's also detecting the parachute. Okay, but yeah, it's like we don't have that much big data set. Okay, like I will now show him the spray bottle, perfume bottle. Okay, so let's see what he will give you result, like water bottle, soap dispenser. Okay, power drill, no, hairspray. Okay, anyway, so this is the our project. So you can download this project from below link. You can download source code. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Click on like button. Bye bye.